I gave a speech today that talked about a lot of things. It talked about these modality shifts in the way that we interact with our touch screens, in the way that we store data. And then I talked about this change on customer centricity and how we'll be a world led by algorithms. And you won't be bragging about your merchandising or your warranties or your way you reach out to clients. It will be your algorithms. And behind algorithms is obviously machine learning. And what's pushing the boundaries of machine learning is open source. And I also talked about the CEO's office because they're doing two key initiatives today. They're spending money to save money and spending money to make money. And I talked about how IBM Cognitive Systems works on both of those initiatives to really bring to the forefront algorithms, cost savings, and a new era of analytics. Open source is critical to digital transformation, but it may not be for the reasons you think. Most people say open source is free. It's not free. You know, my daughter got a free puppy a month ago, and I can tell you it hasn't been free. It's cheaper, but it's not free, right? The key things of why open source will drive digital transformation are two things. One is agility. The speed in which function, feature, benefit, and capabilities get delivered to my repertoire to do analytics is enormous and at a pace you've never seen before. You just think about your mobile phone experience. I get updates on my iPhone all the time for apps. And compare that to traditional closed source proprietary IT that might see an upgrade to a feature list in a database every 2 years or so. The other is community and collaboration. So the ability for folks all around the world to collaborate over solutions, but also over business problems. Both of those things come with open source. And to me, those are the most important things. So this was my first Postgres conference, and I loved it. I loved the bit how it was community-driven, collaborative, and it had tracks for technical and business. So I can come and learn from experts in the business side of things that are using technology to drive top-line growth, but also the gurus of the technology itself, so I can deliver better availability, reliability, and those types of things on the technical side. So great conference, a great mix of different disciplines.